Have you been thinking about setting up a blog? If so, you're probably wondering how much it will cost to set it up and how much it will cost to operate it over the first year. You'll be pleased to know that blogging is a low-cost project. My name's Theo McArthur. I've been blogging for 20 years and teaching blogging for around 5 years. So what are the essential costs? In fact, there are only two. The domain name, that's the name of your blog, and the address of your blog as well. For example, facebook.com, google.com, netflix.com, etc. These are all domain names, and the cost of that is around $10 per year. And the second essential cost is hosting. Hosting is the space on the web where your blog lives. And the cost of good hosting that has everything you need, is around $6 to $10 per month. Now, when you start a WordPress blog, almost everything else you need, in fact, everything else you need is free. WordPress is free. Plugins are free. Plugins are like add-ons that provide lots of different features and functions for your blog. Email addresses are free, so you can have as many email addresses as you like. Security is free, security certificate, and that changes your blog from HTTP to HTTPS. We use free design tools, and all the other essentials are free, plus numerous other non-essentials also free. Okay, so the essential costs are the domain name and the hosting, and the total there is between $82 and $130 per year. That includes your setup cost, it includes everything. These are your essential annual running costs. So I think you'll agree blogging is low cost, and especially when you use WordPress, because you're getting all these extras and add-ons for free. That is one of the reasons why I use WordPress exclusively in all my blogs and websites, and it's the reason why I teach WordPress blogging to my students in the in-depth training course Blog for a Living. And for more tips and tutorial video trainings here, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in another video.